let's recreate Chick-fil-A sauce.
Chick-fil-A, Yorkdale, this is Arlene speaking. How may I serve you?
Hey Arlene, I'm just wondering what are the ingredients in the Chick-fil-A sauce?
So it says here sugar, water, prepared mustard, white vinegar, salt, garlic powder, turmeric, paprika, lemon juice, dehydrated onion, chili seasonings, spices, natural flavor. That's what it says.
Awesome, thank you so much. So that's everything on the list.
That's right.
Okay, bye. So side by side, mine looks a lot more deeper in color and you can actually see some of the other ingredients. Chick-fil-A's honestly looks like mustard mixed with mayo and that's pretty much it. Taste wise, it's really heavy in mustard. And that's all I really taste. It's a lot of mustard. Is this what everyone goes crazy over? Because it's basically mustard. It's not even that spicy, or like, I don't know if it's supposed to be spicy, but those were in the ingredients. It's almost sweet too. They added too much sugar into this. Ours is way better. Oh, there's actual flavor. You can taste the garlic. And there's a bit of heat too. You can taste the chilies. You can taste the lemon juice. There's a bit of acidity to it. Chick-fil-A's is so basic. Even though they say they have all the ingredients that we just put in ours, I guess it's the ratio of ingredients. They don't put a lot of all the other stuff. From my guess, it's just like 90% mustard. This needs to be your new sauce for chicken. Hold on. And you can taste some of the turmeric too. That's a solid sauce. I'm giving Chick-fil-A sauce, like, for their creativity, it's a 4.8 out of 10. It's a decent tasting sauce, but there's nothing special about it. Our sauce is definitely at least, this is an 8.1 out of 10. I'm not impressed, Chick-fil-A. You gotta up your sauce game. You got some extra sauce, please?
Chick-fil-A sauce?
Yes, please. Thank you.
My pleasure.